Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Schlessinger, and I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and we're here today to talk about the neck and the décolletage.
So we're going to the neck level.
So one of the most common things that we get asked about is what to do about the neck and the décolletage area on the upper chest.
Neck and deck. We've done a tremendous amount of clinical research on necks. We've done the clinical trials for several of these products that are out here. And contrary to what you might think, there's actually a lot that can be done for necks.
So the neck is really the culmination of a lot of things. It's up against gravity. You're constantly moving it. Your posture may also contribute to your neck. So you may have heard of something called tech neck, which is from constantly looking down at your phone and causing the wrinkles that happen from the repeated creasing on your neck.
So it's important if you're going to be using your computer, an iPad, something, even reading a book in bed, that you do something for that neck and the skin that is surrounding it. So these products are what we recommend in our practice to people that are looking for something. They're not ready for procedure. They're not ready to go to a plastic surgeon or even me for Botox or something for the neck. You really can treat your neck a little bit better by doing some simple moisturizing, using a product that has some ingredients, whether they be retinol or other peptides or other moisturizers, and it does make a difference.
So if you have problems with your neck, with wrinkly or saggy skin or textural concerns, and you're not ready yet to go for a procedure, one of these products may be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more and follow us at LovelySkin.com.
Thank you so much. Great talking with you today.